Hello, people, this is Kasak, and today we're gonna do a story time of how I went on the thing about to say my speech and I forget the whole thing, like I go blank. So we're gonna rewind the whole story. I'm gonna tell you the whole story from the beginning. So there is this club in my school called DECA. Like it's like a business club in my high school, and then you go there, you explore business stuff, you explore your leadership skills and all of that. Um and then there is this like new thingy, and then there's this new girl. Okay, she just comes from India and she wants to dominate everything. She wants to get to like she wants to go to people, she wants to like get into every friend group in the high school, and I'm like, I don't think so you can do that. But मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसे सब कुछ क्यों चाहिए. ठीक है, she comes last year and I've been in here in Canada since like 5 years, and she comes last year and she just wants everything. She's just trying to like dominate everything. At the same time, she's like also ambitious and passionate, but she just wants everything. Like she just wants people's attention. उसे लोगों का अटेंशन चाहिए, उसे लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. आई मीन उसे चाहिए कि लोग उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करें, उसे लोगों का अटेंशन भी चाहिए, उसे लोगों की लाइक लाइक उसे लाइक अपनी इमेज बहुत ही अच्छी एकेडमिक पॉपुलर गर्ल टाइप दिखानी है. she just wants to be the it girl, but some of the things are like kind of backfiring on her. और कुछ चीज़ें वैसी भी है which I like about her, that she's ambitious and passionate. कि वो efforts put in करती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आई और she's just trying to be the mean, rude and academic person. She's just trying to be the mean, rude, popular girl, but she's also putting in efforts into like everything, which I liked at the beginning, but now it's like getting off of the hand. So this is the story time on like so that girl is that person. We're gonna call her, I don't know, let's just not reveal her name right now, but then she's that. And then there's this new club at our school, like like DECA club, like business club. So we go in there. It's her first year, my first year, and there are these four, like what is this called? Yeah, there are these four roles for executives. So the first role is for the president, the second role is for the VP, vice president, and the third role is for the VP of sponsorships. So like all the finances, we want like sponsorships for other like businesses so they can fund our club. And there is this new, so all of these roles, the VP, the sponsorship one, and the president, they all need to be the people that have been into DECA last year. So अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो मैं इस रोल के लिए अप्लाई नहीं कर सकती. आई मीन मैं इस रोल के लिए इलेक्शन में खड़ी नहीं हो सकती, ना कि वो लड़की, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है उसका बस चले तो वो लाइक प्रेसिडेंट के रोल भी उसके हाथ में आ जाए. पर as we know that you cannot do that. So there is this one role after left out, which is like the media role, where you do all your media stuff and all. So for that role, anyone can apply for it. I mean, any beginner can apply for it. I mean, can stand up for the election. So अगर आई एम नॉट इन टू डेका एंड आई डोंट रियली नो, सो मैं इस रोल के लिए खड़ी हो सकती हूँ इलेक्शन में, और मैं एग्जीक्यूटिव बन सकती हूँ इस क्लब की. तो फॉर द न्यू रोल आई गो एंड आई एम लाइक, हाँ मेरे को इस रोल के लिए स्टैंड अप करना है. और वो लड़की भी है, उसे मेरे को पता है कि वो इस रोल के लिए स्टैंड अप करेगी ही, तो वो भी करती है. और एक लड़का है जो न्यू, वो भी करता है. तो हम तीन हैं और एक रोल है. सो वी गो फॉर द रोल. आई एम रियली नर्वस बिकॉज मुझे पता था ये लड़की लाइक एवरी किसी के भी ग्रुप में जाके वो अपने इंट्रोड्यूस कर, शी जस्ट डज इट ऑल. ओके, शी वॉन्ट्स टू ग्रैब अटेंशन, एंड उसे लाइक वो ऑलरेडी कुछ लोगों को जानती है जो इन लोगों को मैं भी नहीं जानती. एंड शी कम्स एंड शी इज़ लाइक, ओके या, she wants to stand up for the same role as me. So I knew that she was gonna win this whole election thingy for that role. क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि ये जीतने वाले के she already has connections and all. पर मैं I was like, you know, I cannot let myself down for this, you know, BS. So I cannot let myself down. So I'm like, मैं भी खड़ी होंगी, मुझे पता है कि मैं नहीं जीतने वाली, पर फिर भी I will try my best. So I go for this role, and she's like, yeah, do you know who you are competing with? And I'm like, I know, okay, it's okay, I know. And I'm like, yeah, you're pretty good. I like your skills. I like whatever you have done. And I know that you are a good competitor and I think you will win. But I'm like, I won't let myself down for this. Like, I respect myself. I respect my ambition too. Like, you know, I don't want to regret this later. कि मैं ये कर सकती थी, इस role के अंदर जा सकती थी. You know, I could have stand up for myself. But I did not stand up for myself. So I didn't want this regret later. So I was like, मैं भी इस रोल के लिए खड़ी होंगी. I know that, you know, you won't like it, but like, I don't care. So they're like, okay. And like I was still debating like the whole day. I remember that, you know, मेरे को जाना चाहिए, नहीं जाना चाहिए, मेरे को जाना चाहिए कि मेरे को पता था कि मैं नहीं जीतने वाली हूँ. But I was like, I don't want to let myself down at the same time. So I'm like, okay, whatever, Kasak, you have to do this. Or there is this also thing that if you like are into that role or whatever, you're gonna have to like present or like pitch the whole thing, and there is this slide at the back that you put for yourself. And I was like, yeah, that I'm gonna do this. But you know, like after high school, whoever to the people you are presenting, they are not even gonna be with you after high school. So what is the point of, you know, letting yourself down and not doing what you love? And मुझे पता था कि मेरी public speaking skills उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, तो you know, I don't care. I just want to improve myself. At the end of the day, even if I fail, I will learn how to, you know, present myself in front of people. And I've done this before and I have failed. And this is like, it's okay if I fail again. क्योंकि मुझे कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. It's all good. So I go there. I give my speech, it's good. She also gives her speech, it's good, and she wins, obviously. And there's this guy who absolutely chops, and you know, and तब से मुझे पता चला था कि either it's me or either it's her. So कल announcement में आता है कि हाँ वो जीत जाती है. And I am full upset कि मैंने इतना hard work किया था. Like I was really into that role. मुझे स्टिल लगा था कि थोड़ी उम्मीद थी मेरे में स्टिल कि मैं जीत सकती हूँ, पर वो जीत जाती है. And honestly, like no one really likes, like, you know, everyone do talk about her like on her back, क्योंकि वो ऐसी चीज़ें करती है कि उसके सामने कोई ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि तू ऐसी क्यों है, किसी को उसके साथ झगड़ा नहीं करना है. I mean, no one wants to fight with her, but like on her back, like everyone kind of do talk about like bad shit about her. And I'm like, yeah, like, but she wins, obviously. Because like a lot of people know her and, you know. So there is this, she becomes like the media for the whole year in that timeline. And the DECA thing gets over. She makes it to provincials. I don't make it to provincials again because she's ambitious and blah, blah, blah. And I don't make it. And I'm like also upset at the same time. But there is this new opportunity that the president and the people are like, no, Kasak, तुमने बहुत ही अच्छा किया था, पर you were this close to not getting to provincials. तुमने बहुत ही अच्छा किया था, तुम जा सकती थी, तुम इतनी close थी. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but what we can do? And they're like, हम तुझे ले जा सकते हैं अपने साथ provincials में, पर तू compete नहीं करेगी. तू as like a LDA, you'll be like as an LDA for like the club. I was like, okay. तो LDA में क्या होता है कि if I didn't make it to provincials, the club thinks that I do have the potential to make it next year. So, you know, there is this like conference thingy, like I have to go with everyone to the provincials. I'm gonna have fun and everything. But there is this conference. Well, everyone else is competing. Me and like other person who's also like an LDA. She's like my bestie now. But like, I mean, she's also like my best friend. So, you know, we go there and like, you know, there is this conference and they tell you to how to like dominate and like do your public speaking and like how to own the place. And I'm like, yeah, I would love to go there. If you guys can choose me, that would be great. And I think, next year I will be. And उन्होंने ऐसा भी देखा होगा ना कि ये फेल नहीं, like she failed last time, कि she still tried, कि उसे पता था कि ये बहुत पॉपुलर है, ये जीतने वाली है, फिर भी वो खड़ी रही थी इलेक्शन में. एंड उस प्रेसिडेंट को, और द प्रेसिडेंट इज नाइस, ओके, ही इज जेन्युइन, ही वोंट लुक फॉर पॉपुलैरिटी इन दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. इट्स लाइक, या, I see you. And then they're like, yeah, our club chooses you to be like to go in the LDA. So where everyone else is, presenting their things, doing competitions, me and the other person who the club also thinks that us both have like the potential to go to, like provincials next year, they will make us, go to this LDA conference. And I was like, yeah, I would love to. And then I go, they teach me about all of this, and it's like all good, and like I don't make it to provincials, but I go to provincials with them, and I see this conference, and I get the chance to meet new people. So I do that, and I'm pretty happy that it's okay if I don't make it to provincials. Also, I gave my best for provincials too, but I didn't make it. It's fine. And I don't know, but as I've told you guys before, that like, she was ambition, and I kind of like how she like I kind of like her like discipline first when she came, and I'm like, yeah, because of that discipline, I think she made it to there. But now it's like everything's over, so no one made it to ICDCs, okay, internationals. Everyone, like, kind of like a few people made it to provincials, and a lot of people did not. They went like home, like, I mean, they did not make it to, so they stayed in like, say, so they had to like quit the club. So it was only us, and I get to see the provincial thing, and I was pretty happy. So there was this for, so the club gets over, no one wins any awards, which is like really, because everyone did really good, okay. It's like really hard to get into even ICDCs. A girl who got 99, she was like, I got a 99 in my case study and I still didn't make it to ICDCs. Like, how are you supposed to do this? So it was like really competitive, like so competitive. So, and then there is this thing like, okay, no one made it, and people were sad. We came home, and then it's like all over. And then there's this last day of the club, because no one made it to international, so there is this provincial thing is over, and like regionals में हम गए थे, वो भी over हो गया था. मैं regionals में compete की थी, मैं provincials तक नहीं कर पाई, तो मुझे LDA बना दिया गया. और उसके बाद no one made it to ICDCs, which was bad. बट इट्स ओके. हमारी स्कूल लाइक वैसे भी छोटी है, उसमें इतने सारे लोग नहीं हैं जो ICDC तक मेक कर सकते हैं, लाइक US और इंटरनेशनल्स तक. तो आई वाज लाइक, इट्स ओके. बट देन फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर दे आर लाइक, ओके, फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर हम डिसाइड करते हैं रोल्स किसके होंगे. तो आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, आई एम स्टैंडिंग अप अगेन, आई डो नॉट केयर इवन इफ आई चॉप. और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई एम सो लाइक underestimated by people, that हाँ ये नहीं जीत सकती, वो ही जीतेगी. And like other people ही जीतेंगे. And at that point, after all of that, I knew that this club has become like a, it's like a popularity contest. Whoever has the most friends wins. And I'm like, this is not fair, because like you have to get this all over again. And the teacher, like, she saw everything happening, she knew that this is becoming this, but she did not do anything, which like did not help at all. And she's like, yeah. And then now we have like the roles. So now for next year everyone's like prepared कि हम इधर ICDCs में करने आएंगे. Last year हमने बहुत ही अच्छा किया, पर and then the last day we discussed that everyone will if you want to stand up for a role, go for a role. And there are these 4 roles again. There is this what's it called, there is this president role, and there is this co-president role. They go like with each other, okay. So there is this duo or like a team that go together, and like you vote for one of each. Like you vote for like team for like a president and a co-president, and उसमें भी वही जा सकता है जो grade 12 में होता है. And then there is this VP position. There are 2 VP positions. विच कोई भी जा सकता है उसमें. एंड आई वाज लाइक या मैं ग्रेड 12 में नहीं हूँ पर मैं जा सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ग्रेड 11 में आने वाली हूँ नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो वाज लाइक हाँ मुझे वीपी बनना है. एंड दैट्स दिस girl, she's like, yeah, I'm also studying for VP though. And I'm like, okay, there are 2 roles. And 5 लोग हैं, सबको VP बनना है. And there is not enough, like 5 लोग हैं, there is not enough roles. There are only 2 roles that you can be a VP in. And I'm like, okay, like what is happening? And then it's like, all right, I'm still standing up for myself. Like I've done it last year. And then she's like, okay, whatever. And everyone is estimating me because everyone knows that I'm not good at this. Like everyone is like aware that I'm the underestimated one. And like at that point I felt so bad because like everyone had like little friend groups in the whole thing because everyone was like, yeah, I'm gonna vote for you because everyone had friends, right? And at that point everyone knew that the person who's gonna win is the person who has the most friends, because that was that. And you needed to, like, it was not like a leadership thing, honestly. Like तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा friends है, it's okay, you win already. Your leadership skills, your decision making skills does not matter. All it matters is like how many friends you have, which gotten really unfair at that time. But I was like, yeah. And मुझे पता था कि मैं नहीं जीतने वाली. Then I started saying to people that हाँ, don't vote for me. And I was like, मुझे सिर्फ जाना है, स्पीच देनी है और मेरा काम खत्म. पर मुझे वो रोल इतना चाहिए था ना अंदर से कि नहीं, मुझे ये चाहिए. But I was like, okay, whatever. So I say this to people that, oh, मुझे ये रोल नहीं चाहिए, honestly, और which was really bad strategy, okay. Like at the point I was like, नहीं, like I don't want to embarrass myself. I was like, नहीं, मेरे को वोट मत करो तुम लोग. लाइक आई एम स्टैंडिंग अप बट लाइक डोंट वोट फॉर मी क्योंकि मुझे ये पोजीशन नहीं चाहिए. और मेरे को ऐसा था कि आई डोंट वांट टू लूज. Hi people again. Currently day 2 of shooting the video because I couldn't do it in day 1. It went really long. Okay, so now I have 2 choices, that I do it like really good or I just give it up. And I go like, nahi, मैं give up नहीं कर सकती, because at that time I was like, no, I cannot give up. Like I need to be academically, like I just need to be so into academic things, and I need to be an academic weapon. But and then I go to ChatGPT and write me a script, do this for me, and I only had 1 day, because the other day मैंने ये सारा टाइम सिर्फ सोचने में और लोगों के ऐसे बोलने में ही निकाल दिया. तो मेरे पास एक ही दिन बचा था और दूसरे दिन मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन, आई मीन स्क्रिप्ट स्पीचिंग की जो पिच थी. सो एंड आई डू दैट ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ एंड आई गो एंड आई लाइक लिटरली मेमोराइज इट. एंड जब भी मैं घर आई, टेलिंग पीपल कि हाँ ये करना, लाइक आई रियली वॉन्ट दिस रोल नाउ, और मैं घर आई. एंड नाउ माई फैमिली डिसाइड्स टू गो आउट. ओके, तो हम बाहर जाते हैं और घर आती हूँ मैं 11 बजे, 10-11 बजे, और मेरा सोने का टाइम है 10 बजे. और अगर मैं 10 बजे ना सोऊँ तो मैं सुबह अच्छे से नहीं उठ पाती हूँ. तो आई वाज लाइक, नहीं, मेरे को मेमोराइज करके फिर ही सोना है. सो मैं स्क्रिप्ट देखती हूँ, लिखती हूँ, पूरा मेमोराइज करती हूँ, 4 बार खुद के सामने बोलती हूँ. और मेरे को लगता है ठीक है, मेरी स्क्रिप्ट डन है, मेरी स्क्रिप्ट ठीक है, अब मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. एंड मेरे लाइक स्टिल प्रेशर था, that pressure that you have, that you are like the underestimated kid, and you need to do like exceptionally way better. So वो pressure था मेरे में कि लोग मेरे को नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, मेरे को बहुत ही like कुछ extraordinary करना पड़ेगा लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कि हाँ मैं भी एक ऐसा पर्सन, like मैं भी एक ऐसी like academic weapon हूँ, like मेरे में भी दम है, so लोग मुझे वोट करें. तो I go and then I sleep completely. The next morning I wake up and I'm like, ठीक है, मेरे को मेमोराइज हो गया है, पर अच्छे से नहीं हुआ था. I say it out once, अटक के वो भी, and I'm like, ठीक है, done. In the morning I say it out once and I go to school and then we have course selection on the same day. So I have like pressure to do this courses select for grade 11, क्योंकि उसमें यूनिवर्सिटी की like बहुत टेंशन होती है कि ये कोर्स तुम चूज करो, ये तुम्हारी फील्ड है, और like how you choose streams in India. वैसा टाइप ऑफ प्रेशर था कि तुम वही कोर्स चूज करो अब जो तुम्हें अच्छे लगते हैं, और तुम वो कोर्स नहीं चूज कर सकते जो तुम्हें अब नहीं पसंद हो, लाइक फालतू कोर्सेज मत चूज करो। तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, अब ये मेरा फ्यूचर डिसाइड तो थोड़ा तो करेंगे ना, तो यूनिवर्सिटी भी मेरे को ये कोर्सेज देख के ही लेगी। तो आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टेंशन ऑफ चूजिंग द कोर्सेज, और मेरे को दूसरे टीचर्स के पास जाना भी था को ऑप डिसाइड करने के लिए कि मैं क्या एज अ इंटर्नशिप टाइप को ऑप कर सकती हूँ। एंड माई टीचर्स लाइक ओके, सो मेरे को टीचर के साथ भी बात करना था, मेरे को लाइक ये स्पीच भी मेमोराइज करनी थी, और मेरे को ऐसा प्रेशर था कि मैं अंडर एस्टिमेटेड हूँ अभी, ठीक है। सो आई वाज लाइक आई कैनॉट be like underestimated, okay. So I go and I like really have that, while I'm choosing my courses I still have the pressure of like मेरे को speech बोलनी है, I have to like outperform, I have to do amazingly, क्योंकि मेरी खुद के साथ expectations बहुत ही high थी, और उसके वजह से I was like kind of backing out in my own type of thing. So I was like नहीं, मेरे को अच्छा ही करना है, मेरे को अच्छा ही करना है. I go there, bell rings, I choose my courses in rush and whatever. And I go there, I see these people and they're like ठीक है like, and उसमें से एक लड़की जिसकी स्पीच थी वीपी की वो आई ही नहीं, ठीक है, वो नहीं आई है, उसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम थी तो वो आई ही नहीं, तो वो नहीं आई, और दूसरी की प्रेजेंटेशन थी, और मेरी किस्मत इतनी ही बैड है कि मैं जैसे भी गई मेरी टीचर बोलती तू फर्स्ट है, एंड आई वाज लाइक, जब मेरी वैसी थिंकिंग थी कि जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचूंगी 2-3 लोग प्रेजेंट स्पीच दे देंगे, उसके बाद मैं एक बार मेमोराइज करके मैं अपनी स्पीच दे दूंगी, और आई थिंक माई स्पीच विल बी गुड, क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक प्रॉप भी था जिसके साथ मेरे को ऐसा एक्टिंग और वो लाइक नॉट एक्टिंग बट लाइक यू नो आई थिंक आई टू डू सम एक्शंस विद इट, सो लाइक दैट वाज इट, सो आई हैड टू डू विद दैट एंड से माई स्पीच। वो मैंने प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया था, तो एंड टीचर कम्स एंड शी इज लाइक, और मेरी किस्मत की बैंड तो बहुत ही गई है, ठीक है, एवरी टाइम प्रेजेंटेशंस कुछ भी होता है तो आई एम द फर्स्ट वन एवरी सिंगल टाइम, एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई, लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। सो I go there and my teacher is like, oh, you are the first one. And I was like, नहीं, मैं नहीं हो सकती. Like, can you please put me back? Because, you know, like, why are you putting me at the front? And she's like, नहीं, अगर मैं तुम्हें पीछे रख दूंगी तो लोग भी, like, you know, they will fight for the last spot too. And I was like, at least put me in the second. She's like, no, ये नहीं हो सकता. So I was like, ठीक है. And then I just go. When I go there, a bunch of kids come in again and they're like, oh, we are this person's friend, we are just gonna watch his presentation. And I was like, okay, उसका देखो ना, तुम लोग मेरा क्यों देखने आए हो यहाँ पर? And I was like, नहीं, वो लोग बैठ गए और सब कुछ फैला के बैठे. And I was like, what the heck, now I have like, you know, मेरे इमेजिनेशन में ऐसा था कि now I have so many people to speak in front of, और मेरी स्पीच उतनी भी अच्छी मैंने प्रिपेराइज नहीं की है, पर फिर भी मुझे ऐसा था कि नहीं, I have memorized it. If I hit the first thing right, I will get the whole speech done in like really good way. So I was like, ठीक है, नहीं कुछ भी कर, तू ये कर लेगी, तू ये कर लेगी, तू ये कर लेगी. And I was like, ठीक है. I go, I say the first line, ठीक है, और मैं question ask करती हूँ, सब raise hand करते हैं and whatever. And after that, I'm supposed to say like a line which I completely forget. I skip it. तो उस क्वेश्चन का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता है. So that question, like people think like what was the question about, like she just asked a random question and she just forgot the last thing. I was like, what am I doing? So I try to say different things. मेरे को LDA के बारे में भी बात करना था कि मैं ये कॉन्फ्रेंस में गई थी तुम लोगों के साथ, मैं प्रोविंशियल्स भी ऑलमोस्ट मेक आउट कर दिया था मैंने, और I was chosen to go to LDA with this whole DECA group. So please, like, you know, like you should vote me and whatever. I didn't say that. I said completely different things and I completely go blank. I don't know what to say there. I am the only one blank at like, I don't even know what to say. My mind completely goes like blank. I don't even know what to say next. और मैं वहाँ अटक के बात कर रही हूँ, and I was like, ये क्या हो गया इस लड़की को? I get so embarrassed. और मैंने ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि मैं अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस से भी बहुत ज़्यादा करूँगी, and I would never expect this to happen with me. कि मैं अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन से तो लाइक हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं मीट कर पाई, वो तो था ही नहीं कि मैं मीट कर पाऊँ। और उसके बाद द बेयर मिनिमम दैट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, उससे भी ज़्यादा नीचे गिर गई मैं। आई वाज लाइक व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन। So I do like whatever, like please vote for me, I'll do this next year, and I go. The speech my teacher gave me was about like 2 minutes, you can say up to 2 minutes, और मैं 30 सेकेंड का भी नहीं बोलती हूँ। Under 30 seconds I go there, I come back, I'm completely blank, and I don't even have time to process just like what happened, because last night I didn't get enough sleep. That could be one, and like all day being nervous and like the pressure, like those three things were the main reason that this happened to me. So keep that in mind. If that's like you were trying to like pressure, or like you have that nervousness thingy, don't care, just go and kill it, my friend. Like, because there is like probably like you are underestimated. You need to like, if you're like higher at some level, you also have that pressure के लोगों के मेरे पर बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, मुझे अच्छा करना है, और लोगों को मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है। जैसे मैं थी वहाँ पर कि लोगों के बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा करना है मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन से भी ज़्यादा। तो दैट वॉज द प्रेशर दैट पीपल हैव। सो लाइक what, don't care, people are like that, so just don't care. And I sit at my desk and I'm like, what just happened, I'm trying to forget it all, and I'm also trying to remember at the same time कि what just happened, like मैं कहाँ मार खा गई। But just then there is this girl that I said that वो नहीं आई थी, उसकी speech थी और वो नहीं आई थी। Teachers like ये नहीं आई है, तो हम so she gave us like a video to play. So I was like ठीक है, वो वीडियो में कुछ बात कर रही है और हमने वो वीडियो ऊपर प्रोजेक्टर पे लगा दिया, तो everyone is watching the video and not her present. So everyone was like this is unfair and whatever, but that little video plays, she goes, other people do it, the girl that I talked about, like ambitious, like इतनी अच्छी है वो, she does it really good. She goes up there, she nails it, she does really good, I mean as expected. And like everyone else goes and they do really nice. There is this guy who's like who plays sports, and he also does like gives like a basic intro and whatever, and he comes back too. So everyone does really good than me, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not even getting this role. So I was like, I'm out of this competition. अब देखते हैं इन लोगों में से कौन जीता है, क्योंकि ये सारे लोग बहुत ही ऐसा ट्राई कर रहे थे कि उन्हें ये मिल जाए, and I was so curious कि कौन जीतता है, क्योंकि इन सब में से लोग है ना बहुत ही बैड है वो, like that type of group that talks behind the back of everyone, वो उस टाइप के लोग थे। तो आई वॉज लाइक रियली क्यूरियस कि ये सब लाइक चुगली करते हैं लोगों की एक दूसरे के बैक पर, तो कौन किसको वोट करेगा और कौन विनेगा, आई मीन कौन जीतेगा। सो दैट गर्ल who does not come, who does not even present, she wins. How does she win? She didn't even present. Okay, first of all, she didn't have a slide back. She gave us like 20-second video to watch. She wasn't even here. She wins. And the person who like academic, like ambitious, who rude hai, or like she's not good, but like she's academic and she's nice, she does not win. She does not win as she has done expected. She does not win. Okay, because at the like everyone talks bad about her back, or like on her back. So she does not win. And the girl who gave like 20-second video to watch, she wins somehow. And then the guy who like plays sport and gave like the basic intro, he also wins. There are other people who did really good. Okay, like I was supposed to do good, and I knew if I even do good, I wouldn't win, because it all became a popularity contest, as I like literally said. So I thought that I was winning, but like I need to do really good, and I would win. पर अब मुझे पता चला कि अगर मैं like अच्छा भी करती, इस एकेडमिक पर्सन से ज़्यादा भी अच्छा करती मैं, जो वो फेमस है पर वो एकेडमिक है और उसने इतना अच्छा किया, अगर मैं उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा करती तो भी मैं नहीं जीत सकती थी, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ लाइक एज अ लाइक ये सारी चीज़ मुझे प्रोपेगेंडा एक लगती थी कि और अब मेरे को ये सारा चीज़ें श्योर हो गया था कि ये सारी चीज़ लाइक पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट है, ये फेवरेटिज्म हो रहा है. सो द पीपल दैट वर वोटिंग फॉर हर वर ऑल ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स एट बिहाइंड हर बैक. और इसको बेचारे उसने बहुत मार्केटिंग की, सबने उसे बोला कि हम तुझे ही वोट करेंगे, तुझे ही वोट करेंगे. नो वन वोटेड हर, नो वन. Okay, and then the person who gave like the basic intro, all he does is sports. और उसके भी friends है, like he was just popular in sports, not in school but like in other activities and sports. So वो जीत जाता है क्योंकि he was popular. That girl wins because she has so many friends. So this was not even a fair club. So अब मेरे को इतना regret नहीं हो रहा है कि I did not win. Like I don't even care now. Like even if I did so good, I knew that I won't win because it was anyways, it was all, it kind of feels like planned and whatever. But now मुझे पता चल रहा है कि it's okay. Like honestly, if I did really good, I wouldn't win anyways because you know इसके ज़्यादा friends थे. Like it was like a popularity, favoritism और friendship kind of club था ये. So now I don't even like regret not doing good. I like regretted so much on that day. Like I was about to like get so upset, but I joined it the points. The next day I went to school, the announcement says that this and that boy wins. And I was like, this girl and that boy wins. And I was like, this is not fair, this is not fair. They gave the most basic intro of themselves, the most basic. They did not do anything and they still win. Why? Because they have so many friends and that guy is popular in athletics. So this has nothing to do with business. So I was like, अगर मैं business club में हूँ, then why are they making this a popularity and favoritism contest? So now I know that it's not even, अगर मैं जीती भी तो like it's not gonna be like, you know, worth it. So now I don't even like, you know, care about this. But now it's like the next day and this girl, the rude girl, she has lost it. Okay, she's so like upset, she's like so angry at people that, you know, you guys said that you would vote for me, I marketed so much, I did really good on my present, why am I not the one winning? And I was like, girl, I voted for you, I voted for you. And I was like, okay, if you, she personally taxes people, like tax on her, on like everyone's phone, that did you vote for me, did you vote for me? And I was like, yeah. And that bitch texts me that did you vote for me, that bitch messages me that did you vote for me? And I was like, yeah, I did vote for you. And I was like, we never talk, why are you voting? Like I mean, sorry wait, we never talk, why are you messaging to me? Like girl, you are as F rude, like why are you texting me right now? And then she's like, yeah, and she's so rude. Okay, she's like kind of ignoring me. Okay, like I don't like her at all. I mean, I used to like her because of her academics, but now I don't. And now she's like kind of, she's like texting me, and I was like, you never text me, we never talk, why are you texting me right now? And she's like, oh, did you vote for me? And I was like, yeah, I did vote for you. And she's like, अगर तुमने vote नहीं किया है तो तुम बोल सकती हो कि तुमने vote नहीं किया है. And I was like, I voted for you. Okay, I did vote for you. And then she texts everyone else that did you vote for me, did you vote for me? And everyone says, yeah, we voted for you. Everyone says that, yeah, we voted for you. But if everyone voted for her, why did she win? Why did she not win? So there are people who betrays or like who are traitors in the club. So there is no point in winning or being the VP in that, you know, like the traitors club in the school. So now I do not regret it, and I'm kind of happy that I didn't like win, because it would be like kind of pressures for me too, like, you know, ये सारे लोग, or you know, that would be like, it wouldn't be worth it, and I won't be happy anyways if I won, because अब मैं जीतने भी नहीं वाली थी, उसने इतना अच्छा किया, वो नहीं जीती तो मैं कैसे, like, you know, it was all at the popularity thing at the end. So I don't even know if I want to join the club next year, but you know, it's like a business thing. और दूसरा कोई भी business club नहीं है मेरे स्कूल में, तो मुझे join करना ही पड़ेगा. But yeah, that was the story. So जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Now I learned that lesson from this story. उस दिन मैं भूल गई speech stage पर, और आज समझ आ रहा है कि वो best चीज़ थी जो हो सकती थी मेरे लिए उस टाइम. जो मुझे चाहिए था वो तो उस दिन नहीं मिला. and thank God कि नहीं मिला.